Dear friends, this video is about the news item that have appeared in the Guardian newspaper on 28th April and the Daily Star newspaper and the writes up by Arundhati Roy, the Booker Prize winning novelist on the COVID-19 crisis in India. She has termed it witnessing a crime against humanity, and the exact words she used is this: the system has not failed, the government has failed. Perhaps failed is an inaccurate word because what we are witnessing is not a criminal negligence but an outright crime against humanity. Arundhati Roy has not made any personal accusation either against the central dispensation or the state dispensation of Uttar Pradesh state. What is worrying is that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has said that Yogi Adityanath that in Uttar Pradesh there is no shortage of oxygen medical cylinders. If anybody rumor mongers says like this, they will be arrested under National Security Act and put into jail without any bail. That was the utter nonsense statement issued by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Yes, hence, Arundhati Roy has made a scathing attack on the outrageous remarks made by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Our point is that both the central government and the state government, Uttar Pradesh government, have not acted according to the times of the need and on scientific outlook, and also making the infrastructure and by utilizing the public movement against the virus crime, virus issues in a most democratic way, in a most extensive way. Both the central government and the state government of Uttar Pradesh have failed miserably in this regard. That Arundhati Roy is not only making these allegations, he is making different allegations on different things. It is a different issue, but I confined it to these health crisis issues only. The point herein is that even the Time magazine, which is of pricing our Narendra Modi in 2014 and 2015 as is oriented to business alone, Modi matters, these things are been priced by the Time magazine in 2014 and 15. But in the year 2019 and 2021, it has been a different picture. It is shown in the cartoon that is attached with this video. The Time magazine has pointed one thing, mostly Hindus do not bury or make their cremation of dead bodies in night hours, but only during after the sun rising in daytime. But they are doing all these things due to non-availability of these places in the cremation grounds. Hence, they are Hindus are doing these things in night time, not according to their rituals and ceremonies attached to the Hindu religion. It is a different matter. Even a political economist and husband of Nirmala Sitharaman, Dr. Pargala Prabhakar has condemned the central dispensation as artless government without addressing the issues of the Indian citizen to the manner that has been enshrined by the World Health Organization and other guidelines in meeting the health crisis in India. This is one part of the story. What I want to make the message is that India should accept the help and assistance being given by USA and other East European countries. Now it is accepting oxygen cylinders from Arab countries like Kuwait, etc. But it is not accepting from the United States organization due to various reasons. This COVID-19 crisis is an issue confronting with only not India alone, but the entirety of the global community. Though issues must be met by the international community by allowing all the assistance and help given by the international community must be accepted by the central dispensation without any ego or prejudices in this matter. Thank you so much.